welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this cute fruit umbrella. Yes, you can make a fruit umbrella. This looks so cute, and I have made a kiwi themed one, but you can make any other one with this technique. So I'm going to teach the technique today with this one, and you can get as creative as you want. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Materials required for this craft is color paper in the color like yellow, but it should be light, or you can also use a light green, and one normal green that you get, and a black sheet. You won't need a lot of any of these, so you can also use scraps, glue stick or any other glue, a pair of scissors, a hole punching machine. This is optional. A pencil, ruler, a stick. So you can use one toothpick if you don't have this stick, but this is more longer. Toothpicks are really small, so that's why I'm using this stick. Any circular object. You can also use a compass, a few beads. I'm using these two colors. The down one doesn't really matter. You can use any color. One bead should be any color that you have. It's just for making it secure, but the other one we are going to display it, so I'm using this white one. You can use any other color as well. Now without any further delay, let's get started. First we'll take our black sheet of paper and our biggest circle that we have, and we are going to trace this like so. Then I'll take my green sheet of paper, and I'm not going to trace the same size. It should be a little smaller, so I'm going to trace from the inside. And lastly, we are going to take our smallest circle, and I'm going to trace that. Now we are going to cut each one out. Done. I finished cutting these circles out. Now I'm going to take the green circle, apply glue on its back side, and I'm going to stick it onto this black circle. And then stick this yellow circle on top as well. Now I'm going to take my black paper and my hole punching machine. Now if you don't have this, don't worry, you can make small circles on your black sheet and cut it out. But in my opinion, it will take a lot of time. So instead, I'm just going to take this hole punching machine and punch a bunch of circles. Here I have all of my black circles, and I'm going to stick them on this white or yellow circle. Doesn't it look like a kiwi? So now we are going to do the folding part. Now this is a little tricky, not tricky, but you just need to follow along to the folds that I'll be making. First we are going to fold this in half like this. Then we are going to turn this and fold it like that as well. Now we have 4 folds, and we are going to fold like this. So I've done a bunch of folds now on this side. I'm going to flip it over and repeat all of the folds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make folds inside of this crease. Fold along the lines shown. In the right diagram, only first set of folds are shown, and on the left diagram, both of them are shown. First set of folds is represented by green, and second set of folds are represented by purple. That is, in purple you have to fold on the back side, and in the green you have to fold on the front side. Now it looks something like this. Now for the tricky part, I'm going to flip it like this, and however I made the folds, I'm going to make an accordion fold like this. So inside you can see it something like this. I'm going to repeat that fold so you can see it. So here is that, and I'm going to fold it. So we are going to repeat this process all over this. Here I have it. I have folded this like in an accordion fold, and it already looks like an umbrella. This is how it should be folded. You should repeat this process all over to get an umbrella. Now with our scissors, we are just going to make a really small hole. Very, very small. You can't even see it. It should be that small. Right on the tip. Like so. Now we are going to flip this over. Take our skewer or your toothpick, and I'm going to insert it inside. Like that. And now I'm going to take my bead. I'm going to put it on top. Now I'm going to take this bigger bead that I have, and I'll slide it through here and bring it on the top. And I'm going to stick it. There we have it. It looks so cute, and you can shake it and nothing will happen to it. It's so cute. It's like a fruit umbrella. It's super creative, and you can use you can make different fruits and slide it in your pencil cup, or even when you're drinking something, as I said, you can put it in there just for decor. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.